वेलकम टू सारिका स्टडी एकेडमी। तो आज क्लास 8 का सोशल साइंस लेसन नंबर 1 सोशियो रिलीजियस रिफॉर्म, ये चैप्टर सेमेस्टर 2 का है। तो इसका सॉल्यूशन इस वीडियो में देखेंगे। एक्चुअली ये वीडियो रिक्वेस्टेड है, तो उनका नाम है, फर्स्ट सब्सक्राइबर का नाम है ललित चौधरी एंड सेकंड उन्नति पानवाला। ठीक है, तो उन्होंने रिक्वेस्ट की थी कि ये चैप्टर अपलोड कीजिए, इसलिए मैं इस वीडियो में ये चैप्टर बता रही हूँ। ठीक है, तो चैप्टर का नाम है सोशियो रिलीजियस रिफॉर्म। क्वेश्चन 1 देखते हैं, पेज नंबर 5। चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शंस। इसमें फर्स्ट पॉइंट है, हु was the first torch bearer of socio religious reform in the 19th century in India? The answer is C. Raja Ram Mohan Rai. Second, who established Brahma Samaj? The answer is A. Raja Ram Mohan Rai. Third, which Bengali newspaper did Raja Ram Mohan Rai start in 1821 CE? The answer is D. Samved Kumudi. Fourth, when was the Brahma Samaj established? The answer is A. in 1828 CE. Fifth, who formed the law to abolish sati system in India? The answer is B. Lord William Bentinck. 6. When was the law to abolish the sati system passed? The answer is C. 1829 CE. 7th, from whom did Dayanand Saraswati study the philosophy of Hinduism in Mathura? The answer is D. Swami Virjananda. 8. Which book did Dayanand Saraswati write? The answer is C. Satyarth Prakash. Who established the Arya Samaj? The answer is A. Dayanand Saraswati. Who established the Kamdi Gurukul near Haridwar in 1902 CE? The answer is B. Swami Shraddhananda. Who was the priest at the Kali temple situated at Dakshineshwar near Kolkata? The answer is D. Ramakrishna Paramhans. Page number 6, 12 question, 12 point. What was Swami Vivekananda's original name? The answer is D. Narendranath. 13. What was the name of Swami Vivekananda Guru? The answer is A. Ramakrishna. 14. In which city of USA was the Parliament of Religion that Swami Vivekananda attended organized? The answer is A. Chicago. 15. Who established the Ramakrishna Mission? The answer is B. Swami Vivekananda. 16. Who established the Muslim College in Aligarh? The answer is A. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. 17. Where was Khalsa College established to impart English and religious education to Sikh? The answer is D. in Amritsar. Due to whose efforts did the British government pass a law in 1891 CE fixing the minimum age for marriage? The answer is A. Behramji Malbari. 19. Who established the Satyashodhak Samaj? The answer is A. Jyotiba Phule. 20. Whose contribution as head of the Akhil Hind Harijan Sangh was valuable for the upliftment of the untouchables? The answer is D. Thakkar Bapa. 21. Who established the Panchamahal Bil Seva Mandal? The answer is A. Thakkar Bapa. Question 2. Filling the blanks with proper words in the following statement. First, Rajaram Mohan Rai started a newspaper named dash in person in 1822 CE. The answer is Miratul Akbar. Dash established the Brahma Samaj? The answer is Rajaram Mohan Rai. Dash laid the foundation of Indian science in the 19th century. The answer is Rajaram Mohan Rai. Dayanand Saraswati was born at Dash village near Morbi in Saurashtra. The answer is Tankara, Tankara. Dash wrote the book Satyarth Prakash. The answer is Dayanand Saraswati. Dash established the Arya Samaj. The answer is Dayanand Saraswati. Page number 7.7. Dash was the saint and reformer who sought the truth through all religion. The answer is Ramakrishna Paramhans. Ramakrishna Paramhans was born at Dash village of Hooghly district in West Bengal. The answer is Karampukar. 9. Ramakrishna Paramhans was a priest at the Kali temple at Dash near Kolkata. The answer is Dakshineshwar. Dash 10th. Dash was Swami Vivekananda's guru. The answer is Ramakrishna Paramhans. 11. Swami Vivekananda attended the Dash organized at Chicago, USA. The answer is International World Conference of Religion. 12. The two leaders Dash and Dash started the Wahhabi movement in India. The answer is Sayyid Ahmad Khan, Shariatullah. 13. Shariatullah and Sayyid Ahmad Khan were motivated by preaching of the religious leader Shah Dash of Delhi. The answer is Waliullah. 14. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan started the social magazine Dash in 1870 CE. The answer is Tehzeeb-ullah Akhlaq. 19. Jyotiba Phule. 15. The Parsi youngster who had acquired English education established Dash in 1851 CE. The answer is Rehnumaye Mazdoorban Sabha. Rehnumaye Mazdoorban Sabha. 16. The Rehnumaye Mazdoorban Sabha started a periodical named Dash. The answer is Rashtraguftar. 17. In 1891 CE, the British government framed a law fixing the minimum age for marriage due to the effort of Dash. Behramji Malbari. Behramji Malbari. 18. Jyotiba Phule was a well-known social reform of Dash. The answer is Maharashtra. 19. Dash established the Satyashodhak Samaj in 1873 CE. The answer is ज्योतिबा फुले. 20. The Akhil Hind Harijan Sangh was established by dash. The answer is Gandhiji. 21. Thakkar Bappa was born in dash. The answer is Bhavnagar. 22. Thakkar Bappa established the dash. The answer is Panchmahal Bhil Seva Mandal. 23. Rajaram Mohan Rai was born in dash village. Radhanagar. 24. Law abolishing sati system was framed by dash. The answer is William Bentinck. Dayanand Saraswati. 25. Dayanand Saraswati wrote a book named dash. The answer is Satyarth Prakash. 26. The name of Swami Vivekananda's guru was dash. Ram Krishna Paramhans. The answer is Ram Krishna Paramhans. 27. The Dash Institute started a periodical named Rashguptar. The answer is Rehnumaye Majlis-e Sabha. Question 3 true false is first question है. First point है Rajaram Mohan Rai started a revolution in support of the sati system. The answer is false. Dayanand Saraswati left his home in order to search for truth. The answer is true. Page number 8. Ramakrishna Paramhans was interested in religious activity from the childhood. The answer is true. Rajaram Mohan Rai established the Arya Samaj. The answer is false. So, fifth, Swami Vivekananda was a true devote of Indian culture as well as staunch patriot. The answer is true. Syed Ahmad Khan. 6. Syed Ahmad Khan established a Muslim college in Aligarh. The answer is false. 7. Parsi leader K.R. Kama emphasized on women empowerment. The answer is false. Jyotiba Phule was a famous social reformer of Gujarat. The answer is false. ठीक है. क्वेश्चन 4 हम नेक्स्ट पार्ट में देखते हैं. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर. बाय.